Hey guys, so we are here checked in at Caribbean Beach. So these are the Aruba. I'm like starting to stutter because we asked to stay in Trinidad, but they didn't have any rooms ready. This one is a really nice view outside. We're right by the Skyliner. This is considered a pool view. And they are the soft refurbs, as we call it, because apparently in Trinidad, this is no longer here, and it is a Murphy bed, kind of like all the All-Stars and everything. But this one is nice. It's hardwood floors. You have the under the stairs, keep saying stair, bed storage. You have your two-person table. And then you do still have your fifth sleeper. You have some drawers. Yeah, I'm like, there's your fridge. Your fifth sleeper. I love the art. I'm glad they didn't take that away. And then these are full-ish beds. Your barn doors with your 2 sinks, bathroom, which is nice. But you're still a little tiny, I feel like, in here. Here's your toilet and shower. So, just a little old me in here.